Welcome to one and all again to this carbonyl compound containing reaction and their chemical properties. Only the one point is remain from the chemical properties, which is very important as far as the chemical reaction is concerned. So chemical property included that acidity of a hydrogen atom. Another type of the reaction of a carbonyl compound are due to the acidity of the hydrogen atom on a carbon adjacent to that of carbonyl carbon, that is alpha. That carbon is alpha carbon atom. So what is happen, the acidic character of this alpha hydrogen atom which is attached to the alpha carbon atom is having specific characteristics. So as follows, explain that is the carbonyl carbon is positive and therefore the attracts the electron in a single bond shared with the alpha carbon atom. So alpha carbon in turns pull the towards is in the pulls towards the electron in the next single bond joining the hydrogen. The drift of these electrons away from the hydrogen atom weakens the carbon and hydrogen bond in this way. So thus there is a tendency of alpha hydrogen atom here to split off the proton in the presence of strong base, and it will give the carbanion in this way. So this is of your carbonyl carbon alpha carbon atom. He is alpha carbon atom, means functional group is there, C double bond O, carbonyl carbon, and adjacent carbon becomes alpha carbon atom, and hydrogen which is on them, it is alpha hydrogen atom. And due to the action or attack of this base on this hydrogen atom, abstract the proton and it becomes weaken the bond, and it will produce and form the carbanion which is contain negative charge on them, as like this. So the removal of this proton leave the electron pair gives a carbanion, an enolate form. These are the carbanion and enolate form, means here is a transfer of the electron on this oxygen. So it is of your specifically the resonance stabilized form, means displacement of the electrons, that is shifting of the electrons here is takes place. So resonance is nothing but is a transfer of the electron from one carbon to the next carbon atom is takes place, and there is a resonance stability form and forms two forms, that is carbanion form and enolate form. The carbanion thus produces, so there is a delocalization is takes place of electron and forms the carbanion thus produced is a good nucleophile and can be attack carbonyl group of the other or another molecule. The formation of this carbanion follows by its addition of the carbonyl group in the presence of involved in a condensation reaction of aldehyde and ketone. So this mechanism is used for in the condensation reaction of aldehyde and ketones. Then the reaction based on all these characteristic of the chemical property of carbonyl compound. First reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction, that first addition of the sodium bisulfate. So saturated solution of the sodium bisulfate in water, when mixed with a aldehyde or ketone, it forms a nicely crystalline bisulfate compound, and this almost all aldehydes forms a bisulfite addition compound, but only a few ketones, the type of CH3COR, where the R is primarily primary alkyl group up to carbon 3 in size, so undergoes this addition. The ketone with a bulky alkyl group fail to react with the sodium bisulfate and because of their steric hindrance and shielding shielding the electrophile carbon atom of the carbonyl carbon. So this reaction is bisulfate addition compound get decomposes back to the original carbonyl compound, decompositioning back to the original carbonyl compound in the presence of acid or alkali, and it will use again acetone. So hence the formation of and decomposition of this bisulfate compound serves as a powerful means of purification and separation of the carbonyl compound. So this reaction becomes reversible by the addition of acid or base. The mechanism based on this bisulfate addition is that sodium bisulfate ions to form the sulfate ion. So this sulfite ions is formed, and the negatively charged sulfite ion becomes a nucleophile agent, and which attack on positively charged carbonyl carbon, and here is form intermediate compound. Thus, this followed the addition of proton negatively charged oxygen to forms bisulfate compound here. Simple thing is that. Then next is the addition of the hydrogen cyanide. In this case, the hydrogen cyanide adds to all the aldehydes methyl ketone to yield a cyanohydrine, and this reaction is carried out in a basic catalyst. So, for example, acetaldehyde hydrogen cyanide, it will give acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. The hydrogen cyanide highly toxic gas and is never handled directly, but it is produced in the reaction mixture treated with sodium potassium cyanide with a mineral acid we can use. So the hydrogen of these cyanohydrines either in acid or basic solution will convert the nitrite group into the carboxylic acid, and hence the cyanohydrine are alpha hydroxy nitrile. This provides the powerful route of the preparation of the alpha hydroxy compound acids. For example, propionanyl aldehyde in the presence of cyanohydrine, it will give alpha hydroxy butyric acid. So alpha hydroxy acid contain one more carbon than the original carbon in this case. So mechanism based on this presence of the base OH promotes the ionization of this hydrogen cyanide, and it will give the nucleophile, and the reaction then proceed with nucleophilic attack on the carbonyl carbon and follows the addition of H2O, and it will give negative oxygen atom of the carbonyl group required to form the cyanohydrine compound. Then next is the addition of the Gignal's reagent or RMGX, that is RMGBr. Here is the almost all aldehyde ketones react with Gignal's reagent. It will use adduct or complex adduct. So this is use the adduct and it will form the alcohol. So thus the addition of Gignal's reagent carbonyl provides the excellent route of a synthesis of the alcohol. So formaldehyde interact with the Gignal's reagent, it will give adduct. That adduct on hydrolysis, it will give primary alcohol. So formaldehyde gives the primary alcohol, and this reaction is particularly useful in the increasing the carbon chain by one carbon. So other aldehyde yields the secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohol depending on what type of the aldehyde we use for the reaction. So mechanism is based upon the earlier point. Gignal's reagent have the considerable ionic characteristics, and it may present RMGBr, and this carbanion are powerful nucleophile and attack the new carbonyl carbon atom, by associating MgBr oxygen. So here is the attack is textless, and it will use this carbanion. And that carbanion forms adduct, and that adduct on breaking of bond and on hydrolysis, and there is a formation of alcohol takes place. Then addition of ammonia. Aldehyde reacts with ammonia to forms the aldehyde ammonia. So aldehyde ammonias are the unstable and loss of water immediately to forms aldemide. So this aldemide is formed. So the dehydration product is not usually obtained, because in most cases the immediately that polarizes to form a cyclic intermediate. Thus it will use the acetaldehyde. Then next is that nucleophilic addition reaction. Related to this, some of the addition of actual practice only in a final product reaction isolated the formaldehyde reacts in the different way yielding a hexamethylene tetraamine. so we can see in formaldehyde, that is ketone also gives ketonamine, ammonias. By thus, this cannot be isolated. That acetone reacts slowly with ammonia to form first acetone ammonia and then complex compound. So this is the complex reaction due to the instability of these compounds. So acetone upon treatment of higher temperature gives the diacetoamine compound. Then next is a nucleophilic, second B, nucleophilic addition reaction followed by the loss of water. So first in that reaction with alcohol, in the presence of an acid or base catalyst, alcohol add to the carbonyl group to group of aldehyde to forms a adduct known as a hemiacetic, that is half acetyl. So this hemiacetal is unstable intermediate which is at once react with another molecule alcohol gives as a compound acetal. So aldehyde react with alcohol in the presence of acid or acid catalyst, it will use hemiacetal, that is unstable. On that unstable interact with the alcohol and it will give specific type of the compound. So the forward reaction is catalyzed by the dry HCl, while the reverse reaction is catalyzed by the aqueous HCl. The example of the aldehyde is convert the acetal as follows, that is acetaldehyde interact with alcohol in the presence of acid, HCl, hemiacetal is formed. On addition of further acid, it will use acetaldehyde diethyl acetal. So ketones would react similarly in this reaction. So he form hemiketal and ketal form. Ketone, he gives hemiketal. On a further addition, it will give ketal. So the above equilibrium lies far to the left and are unfavorable to formation of ketals. But if the equilibria are titled to the right by removing the water produced during the reaction, ketals are prepared in a satisfactory yield, and this is done by the addition of the orthoformic acid in this case. So ethyl orthoformate, in addition of water, it will use the ethyl formate and alcohol. So cyclic kettle are obtained by this reaction with the glycol. So acetone with the glycol in the presence of acid, it will give the cyclic kettle. So we can give the specific type of the kettles with the help of the variety of type of the alcohol in this case. Then it is sometimes necessary to protect or mask the aldehyde or ketone group in a molecule to prevent it from the reacting during the course of the transformation of some other functional group in the molecule, and this is done by converting the carbonyl group into the acetal or the cyclic kettle. After the reaction, this carbonyl is regenerated by the acid hydrolysis. So this ketone is converted into protonated as acetal, and addition is success, and that will again regenerate the ketone. So this masking of the is very important, and this is masking mechanism based on this reaction, that is ketone, that addition of particular protonation is takes place, either carbocation is formed, then addition of this water molecule is takes place, intermediate is formed, and finally in rearranging all this and removal of the water molecule, it will gives the final compound in this way. So the reaction with the thiols, or the next reaction, thiols or thiol alcohol. So aldehyde and ketone both are react with the thiols and aldehyde ketone, and it will or even in more readily than the alcohol, and forms the thioacetyl compound. So at acetone, ketone or aldehyde gives the thiol, ketal or thioacetal depending upon the aldehyde and ketone. So thioacetal and the thioketal are resistant to the acid hydrolysis, but can be readily converted to the original aldehyde and ketone when subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of this specific chloride containing compound, that is cadmium chloride, and your higher metals compound, and the formation of the thioacetal and the thioketal also employed the masking of the carbonyl group of aldehyde ketone. By this way, we will get some of the reaction. Afterward, we see next video remaining reaction of this carbonyl compound. Thank you.